We make stronger cables and more.
Hi, and welcome to another unboxing. Today, we are unboxing a very simple but yet very essential product that we use every day, whether we are at home or at the office. And I'm talking about a surge protector power strip. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. Well, in the box, you have the power strip surge. Also, attached to it, you'll have a warning label written in English and in French. So please, before using the product, read this warning label very carefully. Let's go ahead and look at some specs. This power strip could charge and power up to 5 devices at the same time with 3 high-speed USB ports and 2 AC outlets. It provides the ultimate convenience for your appliances and mobile devices. The wide-spaced outlets are separate enough for you to fit larger plugs and power adapters. The 2 USB-A ports provide 5 volts 2.4 amps of charging power. As for the USB-C, it provides 5 volts 3 amps of charging power. With a built-in smart charging technology, it can auto-detect your devices and seek to maximize the fastest possible charging speed. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and as usual, if you'd like us to unbox any other product sold on PrimeCables.ca or Living.ca, please mention it in the comments below. Until then, stay safe and see you on the next unboxing.
We make stronger cables and more.